When you've seen something so many times the original looks weird. You dare oppose me, mortal? Kuldi. Rolling down the mountain, here we come. Godred, on break. Fuck off, Kuldi. Steamroller. Steamroller. Sound intensifies. Me. Hey guys, I'm going to open the window so fresh air can come in. Everyone else on the aeroplane. Shit. Me trying to get my life together. We have decided to remove you from the Rare Item Council. Why? Because you're not rare. Me. Guys, you can eat the cereal. It's not that bad. The cereal. You're not a true fan if you can't spell Rennies. Gordon. Tank engines deserve to be put in slavery. Disrespect is starting on another level. Account suspended. Guards. Greek vans are for stopping runaways. Also guards. Jump but run away. Donald. Don't yell love much of yourself. Oliver. If I could afford it, fucking idiots. Toad. That's not very nice, Mr. Oliver. Tommy Oliver is not rare. If those sellers could read, they'd be very upset. Billy. Stop telling me what to do. I'll report you all. Account suspended. Sod is Legend of the Lost Treasure, release date 17th July 2015. Dad. Why the fuck are you crying so damn loud? Me. Crying in fear. My dad. Stop being a baby. It's more scared of you than you are of it. Ned on TV. I'll kill you. The only engine who loves lockdown. When your paint is dirty. Panics and James. Tommy Oliver bid ending for £1. With £500 postage. Signalman when an engine is diverted into the wrong line. Oh no. Anyway. Nobody, the production team, when they need a new diesel character. Class 08. Dodge. 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 Dodged. So glad I grew up with this. But damn, this is better. Thank you for watching. For more Thomas meme videos, send your Thomas related memes through Twitter or email.